Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the WeKnife 702 here with me for a quick review. This is actually a pretty cool knife, guys. It's a frame lock, integral, titanium handle, bronze anodized accents. Really cool, I have to say. It has an overall length of 8.9 inches with a 5 inch long handle and 3.9 inch long blade. This is M390 steel, flat grind, and it has a nice wedge going on. I like the shape, nice finger choil and sharpening choil, of course. And this is a beautiful integral knife, guys. The sound, it's very interesting. See? It's very nice. And the action is classic. It's really smooth and fast when you deploy it like that. And when you close it, it's just gonna shut like that. So beautiful button, push button, sorry, and light switch. So you have these two methods to open this guy up. Nicely 3D milled pocket clip right over here. I like these grooves going on right there. Very nice sound, nice grip. There's some jimping. It's alright. It's a little bit functional. It's not gonna be super light in the pocket because this guy is gonna weigh in at 5 ounces, but overall it's a pretty smooth and pretty cool knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.